Roaring chainsaws, flying timber, and sparks lighting up the air. Brace yourself for the wildest firewood processors and the fiercest big chainsaws tearing through wood. This is wood cutting like you've never seen before. Wow. Picture this. You're staring at a mountain of logs and winter is coming. What do you do? The Posh Vario 650. This Austrian beast can chew through logs up to 26 inches wide with ease. Want to switch up your firewood size? Boom. The Vario system delivers with 17 tons of splitting force. Gas powered, powerful, and insanely efficient. This machine is the ultimate firewood solution. Let's be honest, who wouldn't want one of these bad boys in their yard? Whoa. But hold up. Some of these setups are downright crazy. You've got spinning saw blades with zero safety covers, no kickback protection, nothing. One slip and you're in serious danger. It blows my mind how little regard there is for safety. Seriously, would you step up to a blade like that? Drop your thoughts below. Awesome. Now that's precision. Watch this lumberjack work the steel 462 like a master. This saw is a straight-up beast, and he wields it with total control. Textbook tree felling right here. Clean, safe, and efficient. Big respect for the skills. It's the kind of craftsmanship that makes you stop and say, damn, that's pro work. Whoa. Total game changer alert. Meet the Timber Pro 830D. This monster gives you a full 360-degree cab rotation, so you can grab, swing, and stack timber like a boss. Need to switch from harvesting to loading? No sweat. The 830D works with a huge range of attachments. Power, precision, versatility. It's all here. This bad boy isn't just built for the forest. It was born to dominate it. Wow. Chainsaw Clash of Legends. The Stihl MS500i with fuel injection. Fast, efficient, a true speed demon. Versus the Husqvarna 395 XP, the classic powerhouse with brutal raw strength. Two icons, two philosophies, finesse versus force. So tell me, are you Team Steel or Team Husqvarna? Smash that comment section and let the battle begin. Yikes. Not every day is a win. Some days at work are smooth, but other days, total disasters. They say third time's the charm. But this poor guy almost proved that wrong. You gotta laugh, but also, ouch. Awesome fix for bottlenecks. Tired of debarking slowing you down? The Morbark 640 is here to save the day. Heavy-duty hydraulics crush downtime, letting you power through hardwood and softwood alike. Say goodbye to maintenance nightmares and hello to pure productivity. This beast doesn't just solve problems, it erases them. Whoa, eco-friendly powerhouse. The Bell Ultra T-Track Feller Buncher is built for efficiency without tearing up the earth. Its heavy-duty track system crushes tough terrain while protecting the soil. Add in high-powered hydraulics and you've got clean, fast cuts that save time and money. It's forestry with brains and muscle. Wow, total productivity boost. Meet the Rotten H21D. Imagine 35 horsepower of raw muscle, an 8-wheel drive system that laughs at rough terrain, and a 36-foot crane reach. Add the EGS 706 harvester head, and suddenly you're unstoppable. This investment pays for itself faster than you think. Awesome convenience upgrade. Picture this, sitting comfy in your excavator cab while the Hardox head splitter rips firewood in 3 seconds flat. No more axes, no more back pain, just smooth, effortless splitting. Strong, fast, and built to save your energy. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Whoa, absolute beast mode. The Peterson Pacific 5710C grinder packs a 1050 horsepower Cat engine, Watch it chew through redwood scraps like it's nothing. And believe me, this is just scratching the surface of what it can do. Serious power, serious performance. Wow, smooth as butter. The Posh Spalfix S350 from Austria delivers pure precision and muscle, 12 tons of splitting force and logs up to 14 inches in diameter. With a joystick for intuitive control and a WIA-tipped blade for razor-clean cuts, it's a seamless firewood experience. At around $38,500, it's a serious investment, but one worth every penny for those chasing efficiency. Respect. That's true mastery. Watching this operator handle the machine with such finesse is something else. Every move is sharp, clean, and confident. A real showcase of skill and experience that makes the hard stuff look effortless. Wow, look at this in Russia. A shingle maker turning whole trees into roofing material like magic. Clean cuts, efficient design, and surprisingly safe to watch. That's innovation meeting practicality in the best way. Awesome craftsmanship in firewood. The GAE 8000 and Power 65 take wood processing to an art form. The GAE 8000 preps logs with surgical precision, while the Groix Power 65 hammers them down with 25 tons of splitting force. This isn't just about chopping wood, it's about creating a flawless, efficient, and safe workflow. Behold the beast. The Cambio 800 is a debarking titan, ripping through logs at a jaw-dropping 400 feet per minute. Handling logs up to 31 inches wide, its 100 horsepower motor drives carbide tools that shred bark like it's paper. This isn't just a machine, it's a statement of raw power and efficiency that commands respect the moment it fires up. Whoa, did you see that? The 42-to-1 system just launched that stump 15 feet into the air. Talk about explosive power. This is brute force engineering at its wildest, and it's as jaw-dropping as it is entertaining. No stump is safe. The RT400 drum attachment proves it. Grinding stumps acre by acre, it combines brute muscle with surgical precision. At 13,000 pounds and a 22-foot body, this machine is a force to be reckoned with. Steady at 4 miles per hour, it powers through any ground condition like it owns the land. Absolute monster. The RG's Raptor XXL-DK is a 45-ton powerhouse fueled by a 710-horsepower Cat C18 engine. Watching it shred massive logs and nasty debris with surgical precision is mind-blowing. Built for the toughest forestry jobs, this beast doesn't just perform, it dominates. Wow, pure beauty in motion. A crawler tractor, pulling a knife roller, slicing through terrain with deadly grace. The sheer weight of the tractor combined with the razor-sharp roller makes land clearing look effortless. Brutal efficiency wrapped in elegance. Incredible sight. Watching the Super 50 tractor chain split wood, especially tough beech logs, is pure power on display. The tractor's raw strength, combined with the splitter's engineering, turns back-breaking work into effortless precision. Beechwood doesn't stand a chance. Look at this powerhouse. The Automat GSW30D is wood processing perfection. Handling logs up to 32 inches wide with 35 tons of splitting force, it slices like lightning. Hydraulic controls, mobile frame, and endless options make this a pro's dream machine. Tough, fast, and built to perform. Hit like if you're just as pumped. Subscribe now, because even crazier machine battles are coming your way.